of Republic here.
Ako si Eve Dancel.
Noel Cabangon po.
Ako si Cynthia Alexander.
On Jam 88.3.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Turn this up.
Wait, 891. 891. Oh,
Come on.
your urban music source. In Manila. Wait, 891. Manila.
Today's best music and the most interactive radio station, Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Gives you the most complete radio experience.
Talk shows. We bring this. Music mixes, live in studio performances.
One more time.
On-air promos, parties, concerts, student DJs.
Coolest concert I've ever gone to.
Listener interaction.
My favorite songs in the whole
The
world.
freshest news, the best music, the coolest DJs, and the biggest social media community.
Everything's here.
Everything's magic.
Everything's magic.
The most complete radio experience is on today's best music. Magic 89.9.
Tito, ilan taon na nga ba kayong number 1?
12.
Tito, 12 talaga? Hindi ba pwedeng 12?
Ang tamang bigkas iha ay 12 para katunog ng Love Ratio. 12. Love Ratio.
Love Radio!
12. 12.
Beats on the top!
Sa bus, sa UV, sa jeepney, tri-C at taxi, 91.5. Win Radio. Sa bahay, sa pamilihan, tindahan, kainan, sa office, sa mall, at sa mga ukay-ukay stall, 91.5. Win Radio. Dumadagundong sa Metro at Mega Manila. Sa barkada mo. 91.5. Win Radio.
Pinag-iisipan pa ba yan?
Pinag-iisipan pa ba yan?
Transmitting live from our brand new studios at TV5 Media Center in Reliance, Mandaluyong. By land, by sea, and on air. Mula sa pinakabaksyong newsroom sa buong bansa. 25,000 watts. Radyo 5, 92.3 News FM. Iwanan mo na ang lumang tunog ng...
What's up, this is Dre. What's up, everyone? This is Schneider. I'm a monster.
Hey, Schneider. Hi, I'm on RX 93.1.
Ito ang 93.9 IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Metro Manila. 93.9 IFM, ang best friend mo. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Kapag nalulungkot, pinapatawa mo. Pag may problema ko, the best na magbigay ng payo. Enjoy palagi sa jokes mo at sa drama. Ang radio station ko na best friend sa lungkot at saya. Anong mang oras, araw-araw, busy man o relax, pinapakinggan ko ay ikaw. IFM, IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Best friend kong kakulitan, karamay katsikahan, the best sa kwentuhan at tutugan. IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig, number 1 ka sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend. 93.9 IFM, ang best friend mo.
This is Mellow 94.7. Sounds good. Member KBB. Sounds good. Oh, sounds good. Oh yeah. 94.7.
This is the nation's only Pinoy music station.
Ito ang Pambansang FM.
Listening to you all day long, it makes me
bansa, isang barangay. Barangay LS 97.1. 97.1.
Kapag sa umaga nakatalk to Papa, todo ang saya. Everyday parang fiesta. Sa balita, chika, kasamang markada, sobra ang tuwa, isang bansa. Everybody nakabarangay, makinig sa pinakamakulay. Tugtugan at tawanan, walang humpay.
Isang bansa, isang barangay.
Papa at si Mama may ngiti sa labi, feel na feel ala-ala sa love story. Isama mo si sweetheart, sama-sama ang lahat, isigaw kumaway habang buhay. Barangay LS 97.1.
Started. Hi, this is Deborah. You're listening to Home Radio.
Hi, I am Tiffy.
Hi, we are NYNT. What's up, everyone? This is JR.
This is Mika Javier.
Yeah, check it out. This your boy Akon.
This is Kimra.
And David Guetta.
What's up? This is Jessica Sanchez, and you're listening to Home Radio.
Radio.
Keep it locked, baby.
Natura.
And the hottest hits. We have them all. 97.9 Home Radio.
This is 98.7 DZFE, the Master's Touch, the station that cares to uplift the inner man.
Broadcasting live from the Republic of the Filipinas, this is the station of the new generation, playing you the hits all day.
This is RJ100 FM on the Raja Broadcasting Network, scorching the worldwide net on www.rjplanet.com.
Like what you like, we're a lot like you. We are the night and the day, we are the music we play. 100.3 RJFM.
Member KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster sa Pilipinas. RJFM celebrates 50 years. Your music, your station, your way.
RJFM.
3 songs in a row.
Dun, 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 dun.
Kung ganito lang sana ang radyo sa Metro Manila. Hi, hiya, hi ang buhay!
Yes, FM.
Nakikinig sa my one and only radio station.
Nasaan man ako, isa lang ang radyo ko. Dahil more talaga dito sa aking paborito.
More tawanan, more tutugan, more kwentuhan, more kulitan, more kakilala, more kaibigan, more fun, more kasiyahan.
Ano man ang ginagawa, sino man ang iyong kasama, kami ang iyong markada, man sulok ng bansa.
My only radio. for life. With you I'll never have to be alone. I'll never have to be alone. Radio for life. You're the best friend that I've ever known. My only radio. Pagwag naman ang ikot ng mundo. One thing that I know. You are my only radio. You are my only radio for life.
Serving Mega Manila through music and information. This is 102.7.
Like mo! Share mo!
The hits back in the day. Today, past forward.
This is DWBR of the Philippine Broadcasting Service. 104.3 on FM. Nice and easy.
Live from the business capital of the Philippines. Makati City, Metro Manila. Ito ang makabagong tunay na radyo. Angat sa musika at balita. Brigada News FM. Brigada News FM National. Broadcasting worldwide at www.brigada.ph. E-radio streaming. Simulcast and other Brigada News FM stations in Mega Manila, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Brigada News FM National. Brigada News FM, the music and news authority. Member KBP.
The familiar side of smooth. Welcome home to 105.1 Crossover, the smoothest place on your radio. Crossover, a member of the KBP.
Brought to 105.9 DCGFM.
Parang fiesta, parang party. Laging may handaan. Yan ang 106.7 Energy FM. Ang sarap, ang syarap. Morning till nighttime, you're by my side. Just like a real friend, you keep me warm. Singing my sadness, singing my joy, singing my every breath, singing my life. You are my angel, watching over me. You are my trusty wishing star, my wishes want to grant. I'm walking on rainbow when I'm with you. You are my radio.
Wish 107.5.
107.9 U Radio.